Welcome to Exploring 10 Colors. Today, our goal is to learn 10 different colors. Let's begin now. Our first color is red. Look at these juicy red strawberries. Red. Red. Now, let's move on to the color orange. Look at these bright tangerines. Orange. Orange. Up next is the color yellow. Look at these pineapples. Yellow. Yellow. Now, let's explore the color green. Look at these fresh green apples. Green. Green. We are moving on to the color blue. Look at these tiny bilberries. Blue. Blue. Let's discover the color purple. Look at these lovely mulberries. Purple. Purple. Now, let's explore the color pink. Look at these cute radishes. Pink. Pink. Next is the color brown. Look at these tiny dates. Brown. Brown. Now, let's discover the color black. Look at these black currants. Black. Black. Finally, let's learn about the color white. Look at these Lumina pumpkins. White. White. Great job, everyone. Let's recap the 10 colors we learned today. I'll mention each color, and I was hoping you could say the word for that color out loud. Ready? Go. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Brown. Black. White. Well done. Now, it's time for some fun. Let's play a color recognition game. I'll show you a fruit and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's get started. Well done. If you enjoyed learning about colors and fruits, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time.